How do we know if our child is at healthy weight?
So the key usually going to be the growth curve. If your child is in that normal range of where healthy, normally developing children are, they're probably okay. Again, the issue is if they're all of a sudden jumping up. For the first 3 years of their life, if they were on the 20 percentile and all of a sudden they're in 90, it may not be cause for concern. Maybe take a look at what's going on. Like, has all of a sudden their food consumption bumped up? Sometimes if they're getting fed too much at daycare, they're more stressed. So they're stress eating. We're seeing this more with children as young as like 3 and 4 are stress eating these, but really paying attention to that curve is the best way to do it. I tell people, like, don't pay attention to clothing sizes. If your 6-year-old is wearing 10-year-old clothing, it's not necessarily because they're too big. It's just maybe this manufacturer is small. We never want to put them on a diet. Giving them more proteins and fats, getting them on a good routine where they're eating at the same time every day, getting rid of those habits where they're eating out of boredom, out of, mindless eating. You won't need to ever put them on a diet because they will just naturally plateau, or they'll get to a normal weight. Their height will usually catch up with their weight.